Mine are cracking.
Warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 1:45 p.m. At 1:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles southeast of Orfordville to Cherry Valley, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pell Lake, Potter Lake, Powers Lake, and Burlington. People attending music at the Marvin Janesville should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.